Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to operate the Topolino for Spanish pump lock sack. This is how most of the locks looks like, and this is how the key looks like. And the other key. Now I'll quickly show you how to prepare your tool for the operation, and then we will open both of these locks. First, in the box you will find your main tool, which has already installed reset cup. Then you have the reset tool that we will use to push our pins into fully reset position, and this is some spare pins. So first, tool preparation, reset. You don't need to do anything with this trigger, you just need to hold your cup in place like this, gently, nothing to push here, and then with this sharp part of the reset tool, you grab the pin and just push it until it hits the reset cup. 6 pins in total. Like this, all 6 are to the top, and this is a fully reset position. Now you can remove the reset cup, and your tool is fully prepared for the operation. So now when the tool is fully reset and we are fully prepared for the operation, we can move on to the lock. This is the lock with the wrong key. And this is the right key. As you can see, it's only 1/4 of the rotation lock, and it works only to the right. Now, exactly as the key, our tool has an orientation, which is what this notch is for, and with notch we actually apply the tension. So as the key won't go in with the wrong orientation, the tool also won't go in the wrong orientation. So you find your orientation, you insert the tool, and you push it till it hits the bottom of the lock. And the main thing here is we need to constantly hold it in this position. So we always push the tool fully in and hold it in the bottom, always, until we extract the tool fully from the lock. So we hold it fully in, then we give it rotational tension, clockwise, counterclockwise, or right, left, whatever you like to call it. In this case, with the key, we know this lock works only clockwise, so we will do tension only clockwise. We push the tool in, we give it rotational tension, and we push this lever in. Then we release the lever and release the tension. Now, few things to notice here. Concentrate your attention here. I apply tension, again I constantly push the tool inside the lock. I applied light tension, I push the lever, and this front part just move it in the lock. Now when I release the tension, this part will jump back. Again, move it in, jump back. If you apply tension and this part haven't moved in, but the tool pushed you out, I'll try to imitate it like this. You probably saw it here, the red part moved out. I'll try to imitate it one more time. Apply your tension here. This is not what we want. We want pushing the tool in stronger than we apply tension, and actually those locks don't need too much tension. So we push it in, rotational tension, lever, release. and now just repeat. Now, because of all the talking and showing you the wrong cases, we probably overshoot some of the positions, so I quickly do the reset again and repeat the procedure correctly. This is how you should proceed with the lock. If you find yourself doing a few wrong pumps, I strongly suggest you to extract the tool, reset it and repeat. And here the lock was open. Now again, while I'm turning it, I'm still pushing the tool in. Once you release this pushing force, you will probably lose your combination, so I strongly do not recommend you do this. Also, now as you can see, the lock is open. I will extract the tool. Here is the code, and now I will not put the tool back and try to rotate it. Do not do this, because probably you will lose your combinations halfway in, and then you will probably block your tool inside. So this was our first lock. Let's move on to the second one. Okay, this is our second lock. This time it's big one. This is the key, and this is the wrong key. Actually, I don't know if this is the right orientation of the lock because of the numbers here are reversed, but to me this is how it would be. Okay, again, this is the combination from the previous lock. I will reset it once again. Remove the plastic reset cap. Again, the tool have the orientation. If the lock was rotated, no problem, just rotate your tool and start the operation. Insert, constantly push it in, never let go of this pushing inside the lock. In this case, let's say I don't know where I need, in what direction I actually need to apply tension, so I will do once right, once left. Right, push, left, push. And here you can see the lock is open. Again, even when the lock is open, do not let go of this pushing force, of this pushing the tool inside the lock. This will give you some troubles. If you stuck it, just push the lever and you are okay. Again, always push your tool in. Here, while the combination is on, I can rotate the tool as much as I want. Once I extract the tool, I strongly do not recommend you to put it back in, but this is the combination. And I forgot to do this on the other lock, but we can compare it. If you are experienced locksmith, you can actually read the full combination by eye from the tool. Okay, this was instruction for the suck. Now in the short part after this, I will show you how to replace the pin in the tool. Okay, now I will show you how to replace the pin. Let's say, for example, you somehow bent or this pin started to feel looser, softer than others. We will push it fully out and extract it. Now, from here, I'll get one pin You can see it has the orientation. Just look at other pins and you'll find it, but this foot should point outwards. Here just aim for the small hole, and once it's in, you want to gently push it, very gently, because otherwise you will again bend the pin. Push, push, push. Now we reached the fully reset position, and my advice for you is to push it in, then with the reset cap out, once again push it in, and this is actually enough. Now we can reset the tool. And we are ready to go. Thank you and good luck.